Alright, so in this video I will be demonstrating my ADC Lab code. I was not able to get this lab to work on my particular STM board, the STM32L432KC, but I'll walk you through it and hopefully I can get some points for my attempts at this. So this is the code here pulled from the lab manual. It's two really easy parts. We have our initialized variables here, and then in our while loop we're gonna start our conversion for the voltage for this one I'm using the 82, and then this is gonna be our conversion part, and then we're gonna get those values back from the UART, or it's going to display to the UART in here. Let me show you that my 82 is hooked up to the STM board. I have ground to ground, and I have what is this, PA4 or A0 hooked up to my wave generator, right? And I'll show you wave gen is running. And here we're already in debug mode, and here's my output. Now it will send me the same values every time. The only way I can get it to change is if I go ahead and restart the debug. And I give it a moment. Pop up in the UART, it's stopped, or the terminal. Okay, so we're back on with debug. Let me turn it on. Let me show you real quick just to pay attention that this value is now different, and then I will turn the debugger back on, unpause the debugger, and you'll see it is now spitting out another value. So I think it's grabbing the immediate initial value that it's finding from the wave generator and just regurgitating it over and over. And I've been really grinding my teeth on this one. I've run through and I've checked just about everything, the USART. I noticed in the lab manual there is an N1. I'm not able to find it on my board, even in my schematic down here. I'm unable to find ADC1 N1. My board starts at N5. This is my big assumption for what might be going on and why I might not be successful in doing this lab, but our baud rate is correct, bit rate is correct, ADC1. I can scroll through here, make sure that continuous mode is definitely enabled. Yeah, but this lab pretty well kicked my butt, and I've really been grinding my teeth on it. So you know, hopefully you can throw me a bone for me demonstrating my knowledge. I've also done this with a potentiometer as well, to no success. All right, well, thank you so much.